You don't have to drink because they drank. He saw both of you drink and he held the glass.
Yeah.
He's like, fuck.
मेरे को भी बिना FOMO.
Peak FOMO in display, bro.
He's like, do I also have to
Yeah, I
do
just
this?
like chap my lips. I'm like, yeah.
This is what's wrong with our generation.
क्या
Too much FOMO.
हाँ मुझे तो हो रहा है भाई काइंड म्यूजिक का टिकट नहीं
Hey, man, kind ticket is happening. Kind ticket.
Someone has to be a little kind and
we are
Bro,
too-
it's insane if we are not able to get kind music. Like, Stuvi ने मैं जब Stuvi को phone किया, I was like, bro, kind music. And then Stuvi's like, अरे bro, हमने इतना काम किया अपनी जिंदगी में, not for us to go and buy tickets.
हम तो काम नहीं करते हैं भाई बेचारा अनीश ही करता है सब
Someone is doing.
वो गांड
But we
मरा के
have
फोन
to-
करता है सबको कि टिकट दे दो
If there is anyone watching this,
Please.
क्या तू भीख मांग रहा है?
भी मांगते हैं भाई।
Digital peak.
कोई भी बड़ा कॉन्सर्ट इवेंट रहेगा उसके पहले सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर भीख मांग के जाते हैं
you
भाई।
guys have not seen our comments. People will be like, ये तो digital भीख है. भीख मांगने का तरीका थोड़ा casual हो गया.
But there is an exchange of items here. It's not you're not giving me something for free.
हाँ बट अगर तू
What are you giving in return?
I'm giving.
मेरा sleeveless pic in Rolling Loud or whatever.
Let's go. This
There
is
is
not
kind
rolling loud.
music,
Kind music.
Yeah.
मैंने तो ऐसे रील्स देखे हैं कि
उससे अच्छा तो free में दे देता।
trying to get kind music ticket उसका UPI QR code
Send 1 rupee, please.
Oh yeah. Something cool I've seen is someone will put going for kind music from different city and then join me if you want.
हाँ
And
they're
then-
making
Ah,
group
they're
Community-
doing-
community
they're doing community
vibes.
building.
loners हाँ who don't have friends
At least they're
ये देख
tickets.
भाई, some-
At least they
Now we definitely not going to kind music.
yeah भाई क्या चल रहा है there is no kind music ticket no LPG cylinder bro I went to Pune अभी I had a gig तो पुणे में there is one shawarma shop it's my favorite shop I've been going there since I was a child
Banging
I think they're
place.
probably the first people in Pune to do shawarmas they've been doing it since the 80s 70s it's called Hyde Bar in Camp only real ones know I went there after a gig I was like bro you know what there's a war going on in my country I'm back in my hometown I will do a childhood memory go have this shawarma that I really love I go there उधर लगा है बंद पूरा shutter down they've put a
Out of business?
out of
Out of
business
business
नहीं
नहीं. Out
shop
of
closed due
out of
to
gas.
LPG shortage
Oh
due to ongoing geopolitical ये सब तो नहीं लिखा था but I'm assuming
But real,
Imagine Hyde
that-
Bar writing.
That sucks, man. That sucks.
कुछ crazy होने वाला है भाई yesterday the prime minister has given a speech in the parliament saying we have shown unity during COVID we have to show that unity again so something is gonna go down bro
Which prime minister?
अपना
Ours. Okay.
हाँ
Which is asking.
he said he has said how much fuel reserve the country has and
Okay.
people have done calculation the fuel reserves is enough for 7 days
No way.
Oh man.
There's no way.
My car is
करना
not even
पड़ेगा. As
starting.
in now
No,
some
now
major move is going to
people
be
are
made.
saying like they'll add one extra holiday per week like
That's what they're doing in Sri Lanka right now.
yeah people are
Lanka is a holiday only, bro.
Nahi, like Sri Lanka, every Wednesday is a day off because they don't have enough petrol.
bro but you don't
Fuck,
know
that's
what are
so
you
cool,
saying?
Man.
That's not cool.
So all we had to do to not work was get rid of petrol.
Like start a war.
bro, everything gets delayed na
Yeah,
bro yesterday I was at my girlfriend's house we were looking at
Let's go. Shout out.
we were looking at
Bro
curtains.
doesn't need an opportunity to bring
Yeah,
up that
yeah,
he
he
has a
just wants to
girlfriend.
rub it in. My girlfriend's house. We were looking at curtains.
ये हमें जानना चाहिए. Bro, so looking at curtains is a
Yeah.
it's
is a big
related to what we were talking
Okay,
about if
okay,
you give
okay.
it like 5 more seconds
Let's
Do
relate.
yaar.
Let's
Yeah.
relate.
He jumped into it.
Yeah.
तो वो curtain देखा ये
You are watching it with your girlfriend.
वो कलर हमने कलर सेलेक्ट किया दिस एंड वी वर लाइक कितना टाइम लगेगा
But color selection was an easy process for you?
नो
That was girlfriend's favorite color.
Never.
Okay.
नो वी अभी दिस डजंट मैटर मैन वी आर लाइक हाँ ये वाला चाहिए कितना टाइम लगेगा आने में लाइक सर अभी तो टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा सब कुछ डिले हो गया है सो लाइक इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बाय कर्टन्स आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लाइक its delivery is going to get delayed because there's not enough fuel.
Okay.
So the problem here was he didn't get his curtains on time.
Yeah.
Hey, the problem is that there is no gas and fuel in this country.
In every part of the world right now.
No, some people make their own.
but
Electric
some
people
people-
will be pretty happy.
Some
at
people
this
have
point.
access to a lot of fuel and they also have access to the place where the fuel passes, so they get to, you know.
Yeah, they get to
We need to
decide.
become friends with those guys, bro.
we were friends with those guys, but they're of no use.
मैं खुलवाऊं क्या जाके?
खुद खुलवाओ
I'll go and open this straight up.
Say I need those curtains.
Buckets लेके जा रहा हूँ.
तेल मेरे में तेल निकाल
तेल ले आओ।
फ्यूल some petrol pumps are shut like कुछ भी हो रहा है भाई.
Yeah, bro, everywhere it's fucked. Like even ticket prices of your planes are like fucking skyrocketed. I'm going to Bhubaneswar. 40,000 का टिकट है भाई.
क्या बात
I was
कर
like,
रहे
let's
हो?
just not do the
40,000?
gig. Yeah, for 2 people, but still 40,000 कुछ ज्यादा ही है.
नहीं, भुवनेश्वर तो 20,000 का टिकट ही रहता है भाई.
What are you saying?
I mean, it
Far,
is
like
quite
the other
far.
Yeah, that's true.
भुवनेश्वर.
क्या लॉकडाउन लग गया तो वापस
भाई ऐसा मत बोल
हमें तो
यार.
मजा आएगा भाई. हम तो घर पे कंटेंट बनाते हैं. लोग घर पे बैठ के
Imagine
कंटेंट
But you think that's a possibility? कि they
Lockdown?
might announce something.
They've said expect a lockdown type situation.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, we as a generation and like we are not like ready to deal with the war, bro. I don't think we have the capabilities to.
Bro, he needs curtains.
Imagine.
They're dropping missiles.
Imagine no electricity, bro. Then
I don't want to see it when it comes.
blackout curtain.
तुम लोग करो बात.
मैं घर पे
blackout curtain लगा दो भाई.
Yeah, blackout. It's going to be a global blackout, bro. Then if
3 दिन
lose
लगेगा आने में.
Yeah.
oil and if electricity also something happens.
कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं भाई. अभी now the threats have gotten insane. Iran is saying कि we will hit the internet wires.
Yeah, which are under the water.
तो इंटरनेट
I
बंद
wonder the
सकता
water.
इंटरनेट
वही
बंद
होने
हुआ
वाला
है.
है.
है. लॉकडाउन लग गया और इंटरनेट भी बंद हो गया.
Oh,
तो
then we're
then-
scooped.
We're all fucked, bro. Imagine sit
We
alone
know
with your thoughts.
That'll be a reset. That'll be a
Sit
reset.
along with your
bro.
thoughts. We stop making money overnight.
Yeah, that too.
Absolute zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we're all fucked.
UPI भी नहीं होगा भाई. भीख भी नहीं मांग सकते किसी से.
डिजिटल भीख भी नहीं मांग सकते फिर.
काइंड म्यूजिक का टिकट भी नहीं आएगा. We're headed for dark times, boys.
गाय मुझे
Yeah.
बजा ही नहीं पाएगा आके भी.
It'll
But
actually be kind.
will any of you, like, if the country gets involved in war, will you show up to defend the country?
In what capacity?
Yeah, in what-
He'll make reels.
Helmet, uniform, show up.
Oh shit. Like,
You're-
in the like
But there
fighting
has
line.
to be training before that. ऐसे थोड़े ना अपने को
No,
भेज देंगे ये ले
fodder.
हेलमेट ये ले.
Fodder.
Fodder. अरे I mean my technical we're fodder only, bro. What good are we on the front line?
Yeah.
Front line.
Oh,
So that
So that the
actual-
real ones are safe behind.
they're sending you to die.
You're a sacrifice, yeah.
No, bro. I'm not that like I'm not that
Okay.
crazy about my country, bro. Like
Oh, wait, this whole thing just feels problematic. I don't know why. This conversation.
I would fight for this country.
Let's
would
go.
fight?
Yeah, shame on you guys.
You wouldn't let me answer. I would also.
it's like when
I will
Spain
fight.
wanted Messi to play for Spain, not Argentina,
When was this?
because you'll play for India, not Iran.
वो मेसी है भाई. वो कुछ कर सकता है.
Usko
This guy will
outstanding.
get shot in like the first
Messi will
move.
get his outstanding visa, bro.
I will go there. The vascular.
Outstanding talent visa करके कुछ होता है. मैं I've realized this
हाँ.
recently. I found out US has this visa called outstanding talent.
कैसे मिलता है ये?
If you're an outstanding,
You have to be an
talent.
outstanding talent. That's it.
Yeah.
Who defines
Athletes,
outstanding talent?
Athletes,
Elite
musicians.
artists, musicians.
If
Yeah.
if you're an influencer, maybe like what 10 million followers,
Oh.
I'm guessing more than that.
I don't think influencers get this.
they get.
Yeah.
मिलता होगा यार, मिलता होगा.
Then you go and make content there. You
Who in India can get one? Let's be real.
Shah Rukh
Do you think
Khan.
Samay can get one?
Yeah, he probably has one.
Somewhere probably now if he
Yeah.
sold out Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
He probably has one.
He's warranted one.
एक तो देना चाहिए भाई. Like imagine selling out Madison Square Garden and not getting visa to go perform.
उधर बैठ.
मेरे साथ होगा ऐसा कुछ भाई. मेरा पासपोर्ट.
Yeah, apart from Samay, who else can get? Which other creator can get?
Creator.
दीपक कलाल.
No,
He deserves it.
Are you mad?
समय कराएगा ना उसका.
Bro,
उसका दोस्त है वो.
Does Samay still
वो
follow
सारे
only
फ्लाइट
him?
वीडियोस देख लेंगे तो खत्म है ब्रो दीपक कलाल का. He's never going.
No, but he's
US.
like he's acting in those flying lessons, na, when they're
Yeah.
That's
teaching
Nagpur
the
Flying Institute.
Nagpur
Yeah.
flying.
I did one of those with him.
You did?
Yeah, with Deepak Kalaal.
No way.
How is he in real life?
Dude, he seemed like a normal guy to talk to, but you could tell there's something wrong with him.
Okay.
But like,
But was he playing a character or is he?
no. He wasn't playing a He is playing a character online. It's just a very, very exaggerated version of himself.
Hmm.
But like, he's a little like calmer. He was asking me about like what I do, like who I am. He was interested to a certain level. After one
If
point,
he wants to take you to his hotel.
after one point, he just started talking about himself. Okay,
Anuj
and
Berry
it's-
John.
it was his idea to add this gay angle in the. In the
What was that? What happened?
What was the video? Wait.
I haven't
the
seen
video is bro, how it's like this. First, he's like biting his. Oh no, wait, that one they didn't put, bro. they recorded 3 episodes and only 2 was there. I don't know why. But then in one, I'm just fighting with him, and I'm like, I'm the Indian, I show speed, and I'm barking at him loudly, and I'm like, get a picture. In one, I'm forcing him for a picture with me. I'm like, take a picture with me, and then he's like, no, for clout, you're taking pictures with me, and I'm like, nahi, I'm fighting him like. Oh fuck!
So what is the gay angle? In
Yeah.
No, so
Yeah,
he then
that was
then-
after the
no,
shoot.
that was in the one they didn't put. That was in the one they didn't put. When
Conveniently
I
they
took off
didn't
my
put it,
shirt
huh?
to like aisa punch him, but like
gets stuck.
and then he's like, oh, and that, you know, like what's up with that?
This happened in the room.
This happened in that
In the
fucking
vanity.
mock airplane they have.
Kaisa hai wo airplane? Is it like a room and then it's look?
No, it's just like this. It's like they made it out of like ये जैसा जूहू में ऐसा है ना Santa Cruz में the airplane garden. It's like that. Like you go up and there's like a mock room. It's
So
not an
it's-
actual airplane. Like there's a.
So it's
mock
not even a
room.
mock airplane.
No, it's just,
It's
a, room which looks like
But
an
a
airplane
set.
from the inside.
It's a set.
Yeah.
Sahi hai bhai. How? I don't know how they cracked that, but it's like.
But how long? Abhi to flights will.
नहीं अभी खत्म भी हो गया उनका.
Abhi they'll
It's
make a
done,
skit
man.
on
Like,
that.
how
Bro,
many?
they-
How many will you? Like, what sort of disgusting problems can you have like in a flight?
No, they've actually
No, they
cracked
know
all.
it's a skate. Like I met the owner. She's like a very smart girl, bro. She's
Of
like
course she is.
does it different much of things. She's like a DJ, and then she also like she parties like anything. She all dripped, all designer, everything designer.
You're flying institute, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro, like
and now
flying-
they opened one in Bombay, one in Delhi. They're pretty big, bro. Like they were.
Shout out.
They are like a direct thing with Indigo, so you just become a cabin crew member. So I mean, it's a good scene.
Cabin crew members, bro.
Best part is, bro, I walk in, okay? So I walk into the place and there's this whole like crew of air hostess like with the flowers and all and everything. And मैं थक चुका कि अपना bag लेके अपना suitcase लेके आया.
You're
And
going
I'm
to
like,
Nagpur?
Yeah, in Nagpur. Like when I went up the flying institute, bro, I flew to say unpaid by the way. They didn't pay me to do that. Not even covering travel. Anyway.
No way.
I don't know, bro. At that point, I was like, bro, I get a fucking flying institute video with Deepak Kalal. So that was insane for me. So then I go up, all these fucking 7, 8 air hostesses are surrounding, bro, like flowers. And I'm like, oh fuck. Like, and then they just look at me, okay? They're like, hello. And I'm like, oh hi. And then I look at and they're not like saying anything, okay? Like they're just like standing and then they're kind of looking at each other. And then I just like walk a little ahead and go like, and then they make way for me to like go and sit on the sofa, and then I go and then sit 10 minutes there, and then Deepak Kalal comes and there's like poppers and they're shouting and they're giving him the flowers and then
Confetti.
showering, yeah, confetti. Like they're giving us this thing.
I mean,
Then he's
Deepak
cutting a
deserves
cake. It's insane to watch, bro. Like this, and they're all like fluent Marathi, but they're like, you know, conversing, and I can understand a little bit, and they were just like very happy to see him, bro. And the best part is when I walked in, I thought that was for me. Like, oh, like
Flowers up like a.
Yeah.
Flower is a side.
They just made way for me to like move.
Damn, bro.
Do you like getting flowers?
I mean, I've not gotten many in life to know what it
Really?
feels like.
Grown ass man never got flowers.
Like my ex gave me flowers.
Your ex gave you flowers?
Like one
Once.
time, yeah. No, actually, maybe
Only
more than once.
once.
मेरे को याद नहीं है, to be honest.
I
कितनी
don't
बार दिया?
think. I don't think I've ever gotten flowers.
Yeah.
तेरे को मिला है flowers?
I got recently in Nagpur.
अरे वैसा वाला नहीं.
नहीं.
No, I
नहीं,
got flowers. I
otherwise
got
नहीं.
flowers. I just remember.
In a romantic way.
अच्छा.
No.
In non-romantic also, I don't think you've gotten your flowers yet. He's gotten his flowers.
What the fuck? No, bro. I'll get.
Have you ever bought flowers for a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Everyone's done that.
nonsense.
Yeah.
Everyone done that.
Everyone's bought
Everyone's
flowers
done
for
that.
it. Huh? She took them. Yeah.
Then?
We brought them to my place only.
Okay.
Then fake them and next day dustbin में.
क्यों? अच्छा
वो नहीं
served its
लेकर-
purpose ना काम.
The flower.
काम तो हो गया ना.
The flower.
Like अब तो हो गया ना सब.
अब क्या करेंगे?
The flower. She forgot to take it with her. There's no way I was going to take care of like
She
2
left her
flowers.
flower at your place.
She left her flower at my place. Yeah. And I had to throw it because there was no way I was
Of
going to take
course.
care of
What
it.
kind of flowers were they?
I didn't want to like give her like hope कि मैं ध्यान रखूंगा तेरे flower.
Were they roses?
Of course.
Of course. You booked the flowers a cab.
The minute
No, not the minute. I waited maybe a day.
The minute they bloomed.
the
The minute I bloomed.
Oh,
flowers were done
Flowers
for.
were
Okay.
सीधा डस्टबिन में.
जिसमें एक पत्ता ऐसा बाहर पड़ा हुआ है, you know,
No
dustbin.
way, bro. No, I did not do
एक
that.
पत्ता भी बाहर नहीं छोड़ा है.
Swept it clean.
यार क्या हुआ? It's fine.
It's fine. Somehow nothing happened to our frame.
क्या भाई
What
कैसे
happened?
गंदे लोग हैं हम.
You guys are disgusting, man. I'm trying to say that I've never gotten flowers here romantically, and
But you've given flowers.
I gave flower.
Flower.
Flowers. I actually gave
Flowers have
one.
been around.
I gave one sunflower to one girl.
You should always give 2.
Yeah, sunflowers die.
No.
Like they need the sun to look at, and at night they need each other to look at.
they ऐसा
So always give 2 sunflowers.
Cute. ये सब मेरे को पता नहीं था भाई.
New mistake.
क्यों ऐसा तू एक दिन से ज्यादा नहीं
Yeah.
रखेगा तो कैसे?
नहीं,
Once you start keeping flowers around you for longer,
वो तो overnight वैसे भी हिट है ना.
I will have more flowers around me soon.
वैसे तू फ्लावर खरीद के ऐसे 2 बजे फेंक रहा है.
I didn't throw it at 2 a.m. I said the next day when I saw it.
सुबह 6 बजे अलार्म.
I have a busy day actually.
हाँ, सही है भाई तेरा तो.
So the next day when I saw it, I thought the flowers.
Just stop.
The next day I saw the flower. I'm like, there's no way I'm taking care of this. It's gonna die. I'm gonna throw it.
थोड़ा पानी में डालेगा कुछ ऐसा.
कहाँ डालूं पानी में भाई?
पानी तो खत्म हो गया ना सारा.
वाज में डाल सकते हैं ऐसा पानी डाल.
I don't have a fucking vase. bro. I don't
Get a
own-
vase.
I don't own. I'll get in the future now when I feel like having a vase. I'll get a vase.
Okay.
I don't need a vase right now.
So when do you know that this flower you want to keep? Like,
You want to take care of it.
yeah.
I don't know. I haven't seen that flower yet. I think maybe I've seen it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Yo, I'll give you a fun fact about flowers.
Please.
This is like actual flowers.
Please.
So in Lily.
Oh wait, we won't talk about flowers all this What the while. fuck do you mean?
In lilies, they have flowers. If you've studied biology, they have like the male part of the flower. It's called what is it?
When you said
Cock.
if you studied biology, why did you look at me like that?
Yeah, he looks like he studied
you
biology.
look like you've done commerce.
Yeah,
Respectfully.
fuck, I did commerce.
Respectfully.
Yeah, commerce, BBA, MBA.
No, not BBA, MBA, but like
BCom,
BMM, MS.
Acha, worse.
Just one step.
So the male part of the flower, if you cut,
Huh.
it lasts longer. The flower.
Okay. Why is that?
I don't know why it is,
But
but
men
it is.
suck.
Yeah, if you cut the
Yeah.
man off, bro,
Yeah.
Cut the man off, you live longer.
you'll bloom and you'll.
Oh man. Women
Grown ass men. Four grown ass
seeing
men
this.
doing
Yeah,
this.
Women really
Locked
get
in.
very happy.
Yeah,
with
they
this.
love it,
Lost it.
bro.
Yeah.
That's my new favorite thing to do now.
मैं
Yeah.
भूल जाता हूँ ये करना. I should do this more often.
as a grown man.
What? Look at the fucking t-shirt he's wearing, bro.
Such a nice t-shirt.
क्या लिखा है?
Never mind the Sex Pistols.
Guy demonetized.
Sex Pistols is a Sex Pistols is a band.
It's a band.
Do you listen to the band?
No way he listens to Sex Pistols.
They're actually a good.
Name 3 Sex Pistols songs.
Name 2. एक गाना नहीं सुना है. Yeah.
भाई,
ठीक है,
ये सब
that's
तो
okay.
ठीक है भाई. You don't need to know all the songs too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can name like
So
one.
many people think kind music is one artist.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's obviously too kind and music.
Yeah, of course. Kind music is a music label first of all.
Oh.
Yeah. See, we know all this, and we still
Yeah.
don't have
And we
to
still
get-
don't have to.
Zero.
They're not ready to give us passes, man.
I'm just going because all the cool people are going.
Are you going though?
Are you gonna wear the headscarf?
No.
No,
No.
no scarf.
You should
I'm
wear
just
it,
gonna
bro.
see. I'm like, oh, wow, cool artist. मेरा ऐसे भी, bro. When I went for Fred again, I had listened to Fred again like a bunch
You went in Thailand.
in Bangkok, yeah. But like I hadn't like my friends who had gone for like intense Fred again. Like they knew the stuff he hadn't released. They had like a drive folder in which unreleased full जो उसने shows पे बजाए हैं.
हाँ.
Bro, ये सब. And I was like a casual Fred again listener. So that's when I went. And then-
You enjoyed?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a insane experience. I did for the first time. Which this you can't put now.
Absolutely no reason.
We'll just beep it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Absolutely no reason for you to tell us
हाँ,
any of
but
this.
it would have been a fun.
No, it was bad because it was too much. Like as in like to.
I'm trying to save you.
But like, but anyway, gonna have to cut
I'm
this
trying to
out.
save
No,
you.
we'll just keep bleeping. So like, so now just stop.
Yeah,
So I did bleep for the first time. I only took bleep.
Yeah.
And then,
Half a bleep.
I only did half a bleep. Then you
Then I was just not having a good time. And the friends who had done bleep a bunch of times said that this was like way too hard. We've never done anything like this because like our legs were shaking and all. Bro.
Oh shit.
So, but then it became okay. Then I enjoyed after a bit.
Because of the bleep.
So the show was good. I had to just go sit out, like hold my head for a bit. Then I went.
Real,
That's just textbook bad trip.
Yeah, and then too, I dragged my friend out. And then he came with me because he was feeling bad. And then
He's like, bro, Fred again.
Yeah, and that time Fred again had not started
this
yet.
Fucker is like ruling now.
No. But like Fred again hadn't started yet. It was the first act, which was made anyway. So we had just gone on. They were ending. So Fred again was gonna start, and there was this huge queue for the beer and water and all. And I was fucking dying of thirst.
Of
and
course.
So was this guy, and I'm like, bro, I'm sorry and all. He's like, bro, I don't care, bro. Yeah, this is fine, but like I just wanted 2 beers and I'm fucking sad. So he's in a different trip because he can't get 2 beers, and he's also rolling hard, right?
Yeah.
So then now
He was beeping hard.
So then, bro, I've gone this thing to just I think spit my gum or something into the dustbin ahead, and जहाँ पे पूरा line का start है, and then at the line का exact like where they're about to get their booze, there's these 3 Indians and they look at me, they're like, hey, bro, we seen your reels and all. I was like, bro, no way. Oh, that's sick. Nice to meet you, man. And then they're like, SIS, they're doing. And I don't know, they want a picture. I was like, oh, bro, just get me 2 beers and meet me there now. I'll get you a picture. They got me 2 beers, and I've gone to my fucking friend with those 2 beers, okay, after. And bro, he's
Legend,
looking at me like I'm God, bro. He's like, bro, how have you managed this? How have you managed this? And then we've gone in and we had the best
the
time.
power of social media.
Concert में जो बंदा बियर लेके आता है उसको
Beer and water.
भगवान उसका
And bro, that line was like at least a 45-minute line, I'm pretty sure.
God's work, bro. That's why lounge is nice.
Which is exactly what we want
In
for
case
Kind of
anyone is
Music.
watching this, who can get
That's
us.
why lounge
Kind of Music, I know it's a label now.
Yeah.
भाई और कभी भी तू कोई भी कॉन्सर्ट में जाएगा ना ऐसा सब हो रहा होगा लाइक somewhere in the corner you will see someone sitting like this.
Yeah.
Always.
At Fred again, Bangkok. Yeah.
Even at bars.
Everywhere.
Even at
Everywhere.
bars.
Yeah.
Bars and also they've just overdrank. Like they're just done. You'll
Yeah.
see them like passed out like this.
Yeah.
No, like there is one state of drunk, which is like you know you're fucked,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but you're still in your senses a bit.
Yeah.
But you just know
In the
कि
moment.
अभी इसके बाद उल्टी भी होने वाला है.
You've come to
इसके
terms
बाद
with
like your
Yeah,
head is
yeah.
gonna spin, so you're just sitting there and you're just like
You're just trying to push the process as much as possible.
just like this and you're going down.
That's
and
too good, bro.
everyone's asking you, are you okay, bro? Are you okay? And then you're like,
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't speak. You're mute at that point.
Because you know if you open your mouth, like
no,
something
they
will
Yeah.
speak also. They speak also, but then
words or
Ulti
something.
निकल
when you
Yeah.
speak, you realize you're more drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Ah, but that's fine.
And you look at your phone and like that's also
Oh,
when
the
you know.
phone is to the worst
I
phone to
know.
look at.
Fuck, I feel like drinking, bro. Like we've spoken so much about drinking right now.
We spoke 3 sentences.
तलब लग गया उसको.
He's like, fuck, I miss drinking.
It's a fucking Tuesday.
Where's that beer?
But for us, how does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
honestly.
matter, bro.
That's true.
Yeah.
It stopped mattering.
It's tough matter. Which is actually a bad thing.
But मुझे बहुत टाइम से नहीं हुआ है ये feeling. Touch wood.
क्या कि I
No,
wanna
that-
drink.
दारू वाला.
That's the
Same.
good thing, bro. Because once you have too much now, then its novelty wears off. Which I think I want to reach that point.
Yeah, I think
That
I
the
think
novelty wears off.
I'm already like at the downfall of that.
बहुत पी लिया है क्या?
Recently काफी हो गया. Because every event you go to, every like ऐसा then concert हो जाता है, फिर एक ऐसा दोस्तों से मिल लेते हो.
It's just so we only need 3 kind music passes.
See, the problem with drinking is, first of all, there are different kinds of people on alcohol. Like some people, it just doesn't suit them. Each time they drink, they start misbehaving and they go crazy. If you happen to be not one of those people, that means, and also like you are in a industry where there's a lot of parties and so your drinking frequency increases.
That's what's happened.
And once that happens, you get good at drinking because you know your limits.
Yeah.
You know कितना नहीं पीना. अभी मैं टच वुड बहुत टाइम से मैंने उल्टी नहीं किया है भाई. 4-5 साल हो गए. मतलब
should never
4-5
say
साल
that.
तो
I
नहीं
know.
हुआ रे.
साल
भाई.
Bro, बहुत टाइम हुआ.
4-5 साल is a long time, bro.
नहीं,
That's a
नहीं
very long
हुआ ना,
time.
bro.
That's very good then.
I'm
You've
thinking,
been-
wait.
I
Then
haven't
you
experienced
conquered
No,
drinking.
no, last year.
Me?
Yeah.
Where?
Last year.
Where?
At home only.
No. At our place. That was just you, bro.
Me
I
another
think
night.
I think एक बार अपन भी जब बाहर गए थे, I think you had
It's all unwrapped.
अच्छा.
You've done it.
मेरे
That
को तो
night
याद ही
was
नहीं
too
है.
bad because That was the only night I think that you and I have gotten very hammered, like in a very long time.
ठीक है anyway.
Okay,
but
anyway,
अभी
like
याद-
you are
याद
also
नहीं आ
fine,
रहा है
yeah.
पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
Yeah,
फिर-
Of course, no. He's like, I have never thrown up.
No, I've never thrown up. I don't even remember drinking with you that night.
Put his hands on the table when he said
Yeah,
it. Bro.
he's like, I don't
4 to 5
remember
years. You know?
This is
5 साल से मैं बाहर ही नहीं गया मैंने.
Daru? Have you seen that meme when Speed is on that show with Jamie Carragher and this thing? And like when he was talking about Ronaldo, he put his hands on the table. They made a meme. He's put his hands on his table like you know what he's talking about.
Like Thierry Henry.
so my theory is busted.
Yes.
I'm not good at drinking, I guess.
No, but you still, I think, more than the least amounts of
Least amount of puking.
vomit.
Yeah, ये सब बहुत कर चुके हैं हम.
Yeah, do.
बहुत
बचपन
टाइम
में.
पहले. अभी तो हो
That
गया.
was the phase like 18 to 22. And
Yeah,
23,
yeah,
24 also.
हाँ ना भाई, अभी तो
18
बच्चे लोग
to
दारू ही नहीं पी रहे भाई.
पी रहे हैं
Yeah.
भाई, पी रहे हैं.
नहीं, the
अब तो
next
काफी
generation is
मतलब
I know
not.
fitness-
it's
witness हो गया है,
dropped, but like you still
Creatine,
in the
coffee.
city. Creatine
नहीं
and
bro.
coffee.
नहीं मतलब अलग अलग.
अलग अलग से. अच्छा.
It's bad, bro. Like the whole industry is taken a hit because there are a lot of studies also.
Bro,
that
it's
this
become
next
a part-
gen is not drinking.
No, just like health and fitness has become a part of like the cool things to do.
Yeah.
Like run club.
Mainstream.
ये वो. अभी there is one store has launched. It's called Broadway. Mumbai में तो है. अभी
Yeah,
Pune में
my
launch
friend
हुआ है.
works for them.
So they have gotten all the cool brands.
Yeah.
And they have put and they have at that store they have a protein corner. मतलब it's like a part. They have like a gaming corner.
सब चीज में प्रोटीन घुसा रहे भाई.
हाँ मतलब it's become a part of like protein
It's actually
bar,
become-
protein wafer,
Yeah.
protein chips.
The other day
This
my
Broadway,
friend
like before they launched
Sick,
for 2
man.
years, they had been planning it. I remember because my friend from Warwick only, she had started working with them. And bro, they wanted to become like the Harrods of
India.
India.
What is Harrods?
It's like this store. It's like a department store, but with like luxury brands.
And it's on
So-
slightly cheaper than.
So shopper stop में बहुत सारे brands हैं.
Aggregator है वो.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So it's like that, but for
luxury,
cool-
like
Luxury,
for
goods
luxury
aggregator.
brands, yeah.
Okay.
But Broadway is not exactly luxury brands, but just premium.
cool brands.
Cool
yeah.
brands.
Cool brands, cool brands,
Like
हाँ.
you will see. I can't think of.
Like Mac
Like you can
Cosmetics.
see.
Cool brands.
नहीं,
What are,
like-
tell me what are cool
Mac
brands?
Cosmetics.
like
is
almost
cool.
gods.
Almost
Yeah.
gods.
Blue
Okay.
Orange.
Blue orange.
Blue orange is cool. Okay.
हाँ.
Jaywalking.
Stamp duty is cool.
Then they have like makeup also, all these hype makeup. that
Mac
they-
Cosmetics.
Then they
Mac
had like
Cosmetics,
Labubus and like those camera. सब
समझ
चीज़
गया.
था
Oh, I
Tira
should get a
Beauty.
Labubu, I think.
God.
I should get a Labubu.
अभी तो क्या अभी तो
But like we
fuck
are
you
here
gonna do?
just for the lower, you know.
How do you not have a Labubu?
That's true.
Labubda.
No, oh shit, my fucking brother-in-law bought me one. I just never got it from him. It's in Bangalore.
So you have a laboob.
Labubu.
Yeah.
Grown ass men buying Labubus, huh?
Yeah.
You gotta give it to someone though if you buy one.
No, I just want to keep it in my room as like a memory.
Of what?
अरे
My
this
fucking
is whole
Labubda thing
bro.
came out of it, bro. That whole.
What?
It was this whole Delhi Bombay series I did.
Labubude.
Yeah, so that became a thing because of that one video in which I said that word.
Oh, so
And
that's
then
what was
everybody
your...
started calling me that. Then I made variations of it, like
Hmm.
Lubski and this and that.
Double down on what's working.
Yeah.
Labubski.
Then I rinsed it.
Content
I
creator.
rinsed it, bro. Like I must have done 100 of those or something, bro. And then
Damn,
people
bro.
were sick.
That's.
How have I never seen this?
You were a more recent follower then.
तेरा feed देखा है तूने?
Oh yeah, they did it very-
Your feed doesn't have anything that's, human.
Oh bro,
It's inhuman,
Sumi's feed
yeah,
is
your feed.
like I thought I got a bad
bro,
feed,
last
bro.
episode I showed my feed.
Oh, bro, it's-
It was banging.
और अभी जो तूने ऊपर दिखाया एक आधे घंटे पहले
That was sent to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we share some. fucked up shit,
When I
bro.
get something really disgusting, I send it to Anuj, and immediately he'll send me a voice note saying, "Disgusting," and then there's a like on it.
But crazy bro, एक साल में you've like in the last year you've like fully gone balls to the wall with content.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like at one point I had put not interested on your reel.
Yeah.
But I was like,
I'm sure.
I've seen him too many times now.
That's
Enough.
because of the trial reels thing that I was doing.
Trial reels has really helped a bunch of people.
Trial reels has helped his
But that
career.
was in the past. Now that I've met you,
Yeah.
like okay, he's my friend.
Not interested.
But what do you think? about this new thing this venture that you've gone on?
It's
Because it's such a 2025, 2026 to do, to just like go full time content. बहुत सारे लोग कर
It
रहे हैं.
just so happened, bro. Like, actually, the thing is, मैं हमेशा से ऐसे videos बनाता था. Like, I was making like these kit type videos, but it was on like a private account where I didn't really, have like any followers. I think it was just for like a bunch
For your
of close
close friends.
Then some of them would tell me that, dude, this was funny. Like, you should like put it like as in like a reel, and I was like, bro, no, that's too scary. Like, and then I sometimes did on my main, like very rarely. And then one of them got a few views, and then eventually I went to UK, bro, for my masters and all. I was like, chal, kya hai?
अब फिर तो
Then
लोग
udhar udhar I started making like properly. Like after my uni, after getting a job and all, and then job was not working out anyway. So then I just started making reels. And eventually, like when I came back to India, also I wasn't like anything. I had like 2,000, 3,000 followers. Then I started working for a health supplement brand. I worked there for a year and a half. Then that's the time when I had really like side by side content and that. Then I reached a certain point, I'm like, I can quit my job. Then I quit my job. Then from there I went like ham. Last actual boom only happened like last 2-3 months or so.
Yeah.
उससे पहले was
Maybe
just
it's a
graduate.
compounding, bro.
Yeah, 6
Compounding.
But you also
Yeah.
are cracking the code and you're figuring out what works for you, what
But
doesn't.
it's always like sometimes you know what it is, but and sometimes you don't. Like it's always up and down.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's working. My mental health is very attached to the professional dashboard, dude. It's like when you know it's like everything green में ऐसा up arrow दिख रहा है. I'm like, wow, this is amazing. And
Yeah.
जब ऐसा like everything's going down, and you're like, fuck, bro, what
Grey
am I doing
arrows.
wrong?
Yeah, grey arrows also
The grey
feel
arrows are
only.
bad. Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A good green arrow gives you a good.
Yeah.
Like your mental health
Yeah.
is slightly.
और वो लोग ने ऐसा गेमिफाई भी किया है ना उसको, तो भाई YouTube का डैशबोर्ड देखेगा तो when things are good it's full green. Full
Yeah.
green. Man.
Fireworks are going on.
जो तो खोलेगा 1 out of 10. Boom,
Yeah.
Congratulations, good video.
Yeah. Haven't seen those in a while.
This episode though is not one of them.
Definitely not a one. But yeah. हाँ, YouTube तो करता है solid gamify, bro. Even Instagram does it.
Bro, before, I'll tell you something. I used to refrain talking about just like what goes on in the background, content creator life, or like what we do. Because I was like, not enough people give a fuck about this. Even when you started posting your content, which was about creating content and agencies and ये वो, तो मुझे लगा भाई ये कितना नीश है, मतलब कितने लोग हैं. Then I figured कि bro, everyone is a fucking content creator. So now this has become like a relatable topic.
Or working in the
Yeah,
influencer
exactly.
business.
Or working in the space.
Yeah.
Obviously we
Small.
live in Mumbai,
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
it's
जहाँ पे
more,
बड़ा है.
और हम भी मिलते ही वही लोग से हैं.
हाँ.
I'm sure the world is much bigger and we have
Of course.
we are in a bubble. But still, bro, like.
But you also have to realize that we live in Mumbai where the bubble is so large that there is an audience pool of people who in this industry only make up for so much of the populace which you want to reach. I was like, do I want to reach the masses and have like an insane amount of people or do I want the right people to be like कि
जो लोग धंधा करके दे रहे हैं वो लोग को दिखना चाहिए.
Yeah, that was smart. Like he used to post all these agency stuff saying when you walk into the office before 100k versus after 100k. Like all that shit was very niche, but then it makes sense.
But the people who had to understand it found it extremely funny.
Yeah.
But now, when you think about it, abhi, if you become a content creator and if you do it for long enough, you will realize how to crack the code. Brands bhi aayenge. Obviously, it starts small and you start making money. And like you will, in maybe 6 months, 7 months, make as much as an entry level job at least, है ना?
On an average, I think.
मतलब महीने का 30-40 तो बना लेगा ना content
किससे?
करके, content बना के.
सिर्फ content से हाँ, I mean, but like that
you have
again
to
from
be
my
good
main
at
thing,
it.
na.
Obviously.
I mean, I work for a cryptocurrency on the side, so that's why content is like a side thing.
No, I'm talking about the general public now because it's become one of the, every kid wants to become a content creator, YouTuber. Like that's before you, they would say astronaut, football player.
At
cricket
how
player.
many followers do you think they can make as much as an entry level job?
30.
Let's say an entry level job is what, 30,000 rupees a month?
Yeah.
25
30 तक रहेगा.
Like a skill, like it's a normal job, like a desk job. So I think like if you have like 7-8k followers, bro.
No, bro. For
10K?
that you need.
It depends on what niche also
10k
you're
followers.
Yeah.
No, if you're 10k followers charging, let's say 6-7k a reel.
But कौन दे रहा है bro? Like
6-7k reel.
Bro, they spread it out, na.
Bro,
With
10k.
small micro
at 10k
and all.
you can. Bro, at 10k I was charging 6k a reel, bro. You at 10k you can charge 6k a reel, 7k a reel, whatever. Depends on the brand.
Bro, but my point was कि अभी if it's become ठीक है, it's possible. Before it was like to do content and make money out of it. Man, show it's long far-fetched dream.
But bro, to get 10,000 followers is not easy.
Of course it's not because you're starting from zero.
Yeah,
you're
I mean
starting from
obviously
zero.
now
0
with
to 1,000 is the toughest.
with trial reels and all, it's become
Trial
like
reels.
every day it becomes easier to.
Yeah, it's
Like
become
make it as a
relatively
creator.
simpler.
And so my thing is कि अभी if everyone like all these kids are like हम तो content बनाएंगे फिर everyone who's gonna do these jobs bro.
The kids who don't make it as content creators.
But
और
they
उनका
won't be
भी
good at the job.
but
bruh.
उनका भी job तो AI खा रहा है तो
Depends on what industry you're in ना भाई अभी. Like
need
engineering
to
jobs,
किसी को नहीं
बनना है,
engineering
ना
jobs are
content
not
creator.
going away anytime soon.
Yeah.
Like
a
civil.
lot of it is going.
अभी
Bro.
बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए लगता है ना इंजीनियर
हाँ
सिविल
बिल्डिंग तो but वो तो कितना छोटा population है भाई करियर जॉब मार्केट का.
नहीं
most
लार्ज
most jobs are just like desk job.
But even the desk jobs nowadays, like the marketing aspect of it is huge, right? So even if you're not a content creator, you can aspire to be something in the marketing ecosystem of things.
So you're still in the content world.
Yeah.
तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई काम कौन करेगा अगर
कौन सा काम?
just all the jobs that were like okay now I am a kid in college, after college I will go and do this job, ये मैं ये कंपनी में काम
Like
करूँगा.
a broad category would be like a doctor or a lawyer or a
Or an engineer.
engineer
So these people anyway can do that regardless of whether they want to be a content creator or not. Na. Nobody goes all in on content creation from day one.
most people are doing it on the side to figure
Yeah.
if there is traction na.
And anyone smart would just be like, bro, I know content creation is something which is very saturated and everybody's trying to be one. So I might not become a content creator. So
Yeah.
let me have this as a
Backup. I mean that's good advice. मैं
Anyone
तो-
who's
मैं
going like
सबको बोल-
balls into like straight into content creation from scratch
From zero is
has to have like something insane on his hands or like I don't know.
or just like comfort and like
Or
Yeah.
like, you come from a well-to-do
Yeah,
family where you
someone
can afford
privileged
to
can
take
do it.
this gamble.
Yeah.
but bro without privilege also I'm seeing so many creators from villages and all just
But that's a very small amount of people who are making it now, like into the numbers.
but उनका भी अलग content sphere है पूरा भाई.
regional
for sure.
regional
Yeah,
Yeah. Bro,
Regional content is massive.
Oh, bro,
भाई
there's
there
so
are
much.
farmers who make videos about their farm and all,
Yeah.
then they do fertilizer का brand deal.
Yeah. A lot
That's
of
a
them.
full
do.
new ecosystem.
Yeah, ये ट्रक वाले भी करते हैं ना भाई.
Bro,
truck वाले, हाँ.
Vlog करते हैं.
in Jaipur, there was this, like I'd gone for a wedding. So we were staying like 5 minutes from the hotel where the wedding was happening.
Where was the wedding?
Weston.
Okay.
Weston, I think. Yeah, whatever. I don't remember.
He's
but
judging.
No. What? Bro, Jaipur में बहुत सारी cool जगह है ना.
yeah, there are. So there's this one cab guy who they had kept with us who would take us back and forth. So this guy just starts talking and he's like, he said, मैं तो आज ही मुंबई से आया. I was like, bro, that's like a long drive. He's like, हाँ, मेरा तो Instagram page भी है, मैं reels बनाता हूँ. So he's pulled it out and he's got like a good like 200-300K views on his reels.
I see.
And it's just him driving the car and he'll put like Bombay and it's with his hand. Then suddenly it flips and he's smiling like this. Then one video is not even him. Like it's just two people in the front seat driving. They flip the camera and this guy's sleeping in the back like this. And he looks at me, he said, कस्टमर को चलाना था गाड़ी. मैंने बोला आप चलाओ मैं सो लेता हूँ. And he's made a video out of that. Like these guys are also into content, bro. Like with some crazy background music. And you guys get the vibe.
Have you seen this guy Vijay 3 guy?
Vijay 3 guy is my favorite.
Vijay
bro.
Triga is a hero.
Yeah.
He's too good.
He's
Yeah.
too good.
Shout out Vijay 3 guy.
Yeah.
We
only
would
writes
love
his
to
own.
have him, bro.
Yeah.
Like just
I feel like he
just
wants
to
to speak.
understand what goes on
Yeah,
behind
that would
those
be insane.
behind
And
the
he's
stories.
got unlimited content.
Yeah.
Lives on a farm and makes content. And
Vijay 3 guy is
killing.
too fucking good, bro.
And it's his writing, dude. Like
His writing is insane.
his writing is too insane. How do you figure out that you can write like that, dude? Like how do you figure out you can do this?
A lot of boredom, I think.
Yeah.
Just like
I mean, what is he doing? Yes, he's sitting at home in a village. He's like,
Yeah.
Bro, and he
I have
also
a
does
phone.
brand deals. Like,
bro,
He does a
He
lot
came
of
for the
brand
YouTube fan fest and all, bro. I think.
really?
Yeah.
Bro, he's too
he's a
good.
big creator. Bhai.
Yeah.
He's a very big creator at this point.
But वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा
I can imagine the urban him would be hot. You know what I'm saying?
if he
think about
lived in
it.
South Bombay.
Yeah. Just imagine
in
him with
Andheri.
like the crippled fade and the earpiece and the
Vijay 3 guy.
Yeah. He must be the shit in his village though, at least.
Bro,
Yeah,
he must
for
be
sure, bro.
the man.
Like top prospect, bro. Bro,
be
Vijay
the-
3 guy fucking, bro. Three guys.
If
Fuck
you were a
you,
villain.
bro. Like,
If your girl is talking to Vijay 3 guy, just know you're done, bro.
Back it up, bro. Back it up, bro.
He's writing a script on you already.
Vijay 3 guys like pulling. He's getting the baddest girl in the Salwar Kameez, bro.
Salwar Kameez.
Yeah, we don't even know if he actually lives there, bro. We just know he
used to live there for sure. Like his initial
what if
videos,
he's
you
now
can tell.
moved to a big city and he's
Fucking
just made a
what-
set,
then it won't
crazy
be the
big
same.
set.
What if
which
he's
looks
in
like a
Bombay
village.
right now?
What if he's in South Bombay
उसने गाँव का
actually?
ऐसा set बनाया है बड़ा.
Oh, chance.
Like Mr. Beast.
brother.
Yeah,
Bro, I
that'll
feel
be
like if he
mad.
was in Bombay, I would have seen him at like Soho or something.
So Vijay 3 guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
नहीं भाई अब मैं तो वही बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर अभी सब कंटेंट बना रहे हैं वो बना रहे हैं क्योंकि लोग देख भी रहे हैं तो like consumption is at an all time high bro. Screen times are fucking crazy.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like I try to actively limit mine because
Chal, everyone, let's check our screen.
No, bro, let's not do that.
Yeah.
Mine is very
Bro,
bad.
you gotta.
बुरा लगता है यार.
Screen times.
Mine, so I'll tell you, my peak is between 2 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Yeah,
When
actually,
I'm
I get
not
that.
getting sleep, I'm
Bro,
on my
oh
phone.
my God.
That's definitely not
That's
your
bro.
peak.
That's
That
when
is
you
my
play,
peak.
bro. That's when you play PS. Trust me, we'll knock you out. My daily average is 8 hours 15 minutes.
My last week's average अभी तो बस Monday Tuesday हुआ है.
Oh yeah.
Just look
Just
up
go into
screen
screen time. Just type.
But maybe he's just disabled.
time. No go week.
Oh shit, he didn't even have it enabled, bro.
I've never seen it. Why the fuck?
Yeah, his is not enabled. That.
Bro.
Okay, I have mine.
Yeah, my last week's
what
is.
yours?
How much is yours?
Last week,
मैं last में बताऊंगा.
last week's daily average,
हाँ.
6 hours 50 minutes.
Mine is 9 hours 12 minutes.
6 hours 5 minutes.
11 hours 6 minutes.
Oh, God damn,
fuck.
bro.
What the fuck?
I have spent 12
Okay,
hours
okay,
on
okay.
Instagram.
Bro, I have to
bro.
edit on my Instagram, so like that makes
Ah,
sense.
same.
Also, so.
A lot of it is work
my
only, bro. A
average,
lot of it is
my
work.
average is up because of work and like it's like
What is your social? Last week's social, like total.
last week social
Oh
36
my.
37 hours.
Mine is 50 hours.
Mine is 16 hours.
What?
Yeah, 16 hours 22
Shit,
minutes.
that's pretty decent, bro.
Damn, bro, this is not.
This is bad.
Instagram,
bro.
34
Oh my
hours,
God,
8
just see
minutes.
your first pickups. Like after you pick up the phone, what app do you open first?
Social ही है इसमें.
हाँ, क्योंकि तूने enable नहीं किया ना. हाँ,
Go down,
first
just
use
go
after
down.
pickup is always WhatsApp.
My first pickup is Instagram,
My
bro.
second
Fuck.
is Instagram,
For me, it's
47.
WhatsApp.
First is WhatsApp always.
I
How
mean,
can
for
it be
you, it
Instagram?
makes sense.
How?
Like you're getting messages from somebody you want to talk to.
No, like.
Okay, fair.
Like you think about it.
I mean, yeah, fair.
Pickups.
Yeah, it's always WhatsApp.
Mine is always.
Swiggy is in the top 4.
Uber is in my top 4.
This is
Mine is
crazy,
WhatsApp,
man. These are
Instagram,
crazy
music,
stats to
Uber.
know.
Zomato is in my top 4.
First used after pickup. Mine is
Uber.
Instagram, WhatsApp, Uber, YouTube.
Uber मेरा भी है, bro. What are we doing?
Where the fuck are you even
Where are we
going?
doing? Oh, I get it.
The boy, he has to book no. For his flats.
ये दोनों के लिए बुक करता है.
The boys.
WhatsApp भी है ऊपर. WhatsApp.
वो दूसरा इसके लिए ना. I'm coming.
You don't have flower delivery app.
I can't win with this.
Oh man.
You need the F&P app next.
My problem with
He
the
needs
screen
that.
time thingy is कि ठीक है, watching content is one thing, but just like being on your phone and consuming content as a creator, it fucks with you, bro.
Yeah.
Because you should be creating more than you're consuming. That's like the ratio that you have to maintain. But once
It can also be 1:1. Because then you know what is happening in the market.
But how do you define? Like, how do you like?
It doesn't.
For
Now,
every
what
reel
is
you watch,
happening- so-
you post a reel.
that is an excuse that a lot of creators give themselves. I need to know what's happening. You can know what's happening by 15 minutes of scrolling every day also. 15 मिनट तू scroll करेगा तेरे को समझेगा क्या चल रहा है, क्या content
15
हो रहा है.
मिनट में क्या होता है?
हाँ,
15
लोगों
मिनट
के
में कुछ
15
नहीं
मिनट में
होता
ऐसा
है भाई.
पहले 15 मिनट तो
Realistically, have you ever scrolled less than 5-10 minutes on the phone?
अभी तो I just stop, like hard stop.
We need those apps, bro, the ones that just stop.
Hugo opens his Instagram ऐसा 15 मिनट scroll करने के लिए and उसका feed खोलता है and
He
the
opens
first
his
10
DM.
minutes is just baddie.
Surprisingly, no.
No?
No.
What comes in your feed first?
Football highlights.
Had to think of it.
Football highlights and
Sure, let me open Instagram right now. what comes first?
this guy is obsessed with Instagram.
My feed is mostly DJing reels.
Go to your this thing.
अच्छा, what just?
Let me see what
I'm
comes
doing the
first.
test with him.
Yeah.
10 tests.
Okay.
1.
That's the third reel first.
0, bro. We ended on 0. Oh no, he's gonna get kicked in the nuts.
Oh,
Oh no?
she fell.
She fell, but something else is also gonna happen.
अरे ठीक है ना scroll. Okay. Okay, we.
I think we failed, right? Those.
Yeah, he failed. That's too funny, bro, that video. Go up and watch that.
अबे ठीक है ना
loaded
भाई.
reel.
काम
You can just
करना 2
add
मिनट
it
के
here,
लिए.
bro.
बस काम के बीच में इसको reel देखना.
Yeah, bro. He's like, he needs.
This is very concerning, bro. If you feel FOMO of missing a good reel,
No,
you're
I
fucked.
have seen
You
that
are fucked.
reel.
You are
No,
fucked.
but
So I'm telling
you're
them.
feeling FOMO on his behalf.
Oh, that's even worse. I was like, नहीं भाई reel देख तू, reel
जब मैं
देख.
तेरे को send करके रखता था.
हाँ, रख ले.
He's getting his fix later.
So for me, my feed is mostly DJing reels. ठीक है, मैं अगर आधा घंटा देख रहा हूँ DJing reels की, ये DJ क्या कर रहा है, वो DJ क्या कर रहा है, कुछ सीख लिया. But मैं अगर आधा घंटा खुद प्रैक्टिस करता तो मैं सीख ही लेता.
ज़्यादा
भाई.
सीखता है ना तू.
No, bro,
And
not
I'd be
necessarily.
more creative also. And
You
then
would-
I
you would
would
get
start,
more ideas to
No, I would
implement.
try doing something and then probably fail and be
हाँ.
like, then look it up online and only get the resource that I
नहीं, but the problem with what you're
But
saying
my
right
resource
now.
is reels.
तो you can look up a specific reel also. अभी तो search भी कर सकते हैं. तू ऐसा 10 reel
Now
देख
you
के
can do search terms, yeah.
तू ऐसा 10 reel देखेगा
But
ताकि तेरे को
what-
एक reel मिले. अच्छा.
But ऐसा तू search क्या कर रहा है? Like what
You can
reels are
look
you
up.
looking for?
You
See,
can
with
look
the
up
DJing, even I watch a
easy
lot of
idea.
that, and you learn new things. Then you know how to
But
implement that or where to implement
My
it.
problem with that is you're not choosing what you're learning. It's random.
But it's fine.
It's
You're
just
still learning,
randomness.
no?
But you can
But it's
still
not exactly random.
नहीं,
because
bro, but
your
I'll tell
algo
you.
is deciding what you see, right?
हाँ, of course. But it's like अगर मेरे को कुछ सीखना है specific,
हाँ.
or even if it's like something that I don't know I need, there is enough videos on YouTube where like 10
But how do you
transitions.
not know what you don't know?
तो मैं अगर एक वीडियो पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ 10 transitions that will make your set better, तो उसमें तो
हाँ, but-
नया ही मिलेगा ना कुछ.
I don't know. This aspect, like with the DJing thing, I've actively consumed sets to see what they're doing new. Then
Sets,
you
I
know.
watch sets.
Not only like even reels, like even in the reels they'll be like, oh, this is how they transitioned, or this was the breakdown.
वो I can
वो-
understand bro, but my अभी it's like unless you're saving it and going back to it, ऐसा तू 20 देखेगा तू याद भी नहीं रखेगा.
हाँ, see, I get with the brain rot reels, you shouldn't be watching that much.
तू
That I
सिर्फ
agree
brain
with.
rot reels बेचता है भाई.
भेजता हूँ मैं वो ना,
So
पर
that
जो
means
मैं देखता हूँ.
you're watching them and then only
But you know,
sending
as soon as you send it to someone, then you're just going to get like 5 more brain rot.
Yeah, then you just quickly skip through them, and
the
then
problem
it
with
fixes the
brain rot
algo.
and just
He studied the algo. Like,
Yeah, I am the algo.
watching brain rot and just watching shit that's random that maybe you don't need. The problem is then once you get something good also, to skip मार देगा. You won't have the patience. You'll be like,
Yeah.
I want to see something fuck all. Like someone must have. There are so many well-made reels,
Yeah.
proper informational.
Yeah.
जो तेरे को but तू 10 second देखेगा, 5 second देखेगा.
yeah, how अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Yeah.
No, but I haven't been doing that. I've been watching these lectures only by the Dr. GN.
Dr. Jain.
Doctor नहीं, professor, sorry.
क्या सिखाता है?
वो
Like
अपना
the
history professor.
History professor.
Yeah.
Okay.
He
Who's just
predicts the
giving-
future based
Okay,
on the
okay,
past.
okay.
You know
The
this
Chinese guy.
The Chinese guy. The
Yeah,
Chinese
yeah.
guy.
There's a Chinese guy who predicts the future.
Yeah. Yeah.
ये तुम लोग को भी ऐसा समझ
When you say it like that, bro, it doesn't sound that
Confucius.
good. But Confucius, the philosopher.
Chinese.
Yeah. He is,
Confucius say. No, there's this Chinese guy. He's like a professor and he does like crazy guy actually, bro.
He's actually, you should check out his YouTube.
So his main thing is game theory. Do you know what game theory is?
No.
Game theory. Anyone who doesn't know, they should like watch maybe a YouTube video on it. It's like controlling the controllables and then seeing what the outcome is going to be. So you can apply to many real life situations. So
say control the controllable.
नहीं मतलब it's
Whatever
like
is in
different
your
permutations,
aspects, yeah.
computations to figure out okay what's the outcome. ऐसा और what factors can I set and ये factor set करके ऐसा outcome आएगा तो you can predict. So he does that with geopolitics and he's like very accurate with he'll predict something like a while ago and then it'll actually happen and he does it based on this game theory only. So abhi with the war he's like predicted a lot of things and
He had predicted like 2-3 years ago, bro, saying that US will attack
Oh, I think I saw
Iran
a
and
reel
this will
about this.
happen because of this.
Yeah.
And
he
now this
skipped
guy
it
has
probably.
fully blown up.
He skipped it. The second they get chudे.
अभी वो उसका पूरा
So what does he said about the war?
He keeps coming up with new things every day. Ki based on what happened today, this is what's mostly likely. But his entire thing is ki after this war is going to set a stage for like complete AI takeover. Like that is his prediction. Ki they will like they are going this whole microchipping people and controlling, surveilling, and having AI just involved in our day-to-day lives at all points is going to happen after this war because it will fully set the stage. Because where people will be under the guise of security, things are not secure, you need to be surveilled. We need to see what you're doing. So that's his prediction.
His prediction is Iran are going to win the war. So he's like,
Over US?
yeah, he said that outright. This is like 2 years ago or something.
Yeah.
Fully broken down as to explaining what, why, and all. And he's like, Iran will come out victorious of this war. Which is insane.
But he's fully blowing up now. Oh, he's going on every podcast. He's going on live streams also, talking to Sneeko and all. Random Chinese dude, bro. And he lives also in China, na? I think he lives in China.
Yeah,
Bro.
I
The
think
So then
craziest
how does
part.
he have access to like everyone internet?
That's another thing that people on Twitter,
Outstanding.
they're like, hey, how come? So
Outstanding talent visa.
for YouTube.
It probably is.
भाई Twitter देखते हो तुम लोग?
Not देखना.
Chat Grok.
Sorry, X.
मेरा crypto Twitter ही है. मेरा Twitter is just crypto.
Mine used to be that.
Yeah.
कुछ
Yeah.
भाई फिर वो बहुत मिसलीडिंग है ब्रो.
Crypto Twitter, no?
ऐसा एक random
it's the
बंदा
worst,
confidence
bro.
के साथ
नहीं मैं
डालेगा.
trading के लिए नहीं मैं I have to
Hodl.
keep up with the ecosystem so that's why.
Oh, okay.
मेरा तो job है bro ये करना.
Okay. Okay, Vitalik.
Is your whole life riding on him, like his shoulders?
No, not
Ethereum
really.
pen-
No, not Ethereum. I'm into Solana. It's like the direct.
He's a
competitor.
Solana
Okay.
ecosystem.
So
bro.
what is that guy like? the
Toli.
blue guy?
He's a chill guy, bro.
He's a chill guy.
He's a chill guy. He's very smart. He's like extremely smart, and he built this entire Solana blockchain, bro.
I remember we bought Solana back in the day.
I still own some
You
Solana.
still own.
Good. अभी तो बहुत बुरा time चल रहा है.
Yeah, सबका बुरा time ही
बुरा
चल रहा है.
It's
bhai.
like billions are being wiped out every day from the
There was
market.
this one coin,
Billions.
bro. Shit coin called War. Did you see it? So I saw
It's a
it.
pretty famous one.
I got it in my reels only one day, and I was like, "Fuck, this seems promising."
on the basis of
On the basis of war, like, bro. So when
Like war is happening, so war coin.
dollar war, bro. So there is a coin called War, and that shit went from like $0.01 to 0.03, and I was like, bro, this shit is insane. Like, we should put in money.
Tripled.
So I was just watching that. I was like, Then I said one night, I was like, "Okay, let's figure out how to put money." Thankfully, I couldn't figure out how to put money in it because it went from 0.03 to 0.06. So people who had bought it at 0.01 are like now fucking millionaires, and like everyone's losing their shit. The next morning, I've woken up to the biggest red candle, bro. That was a fucking rug pull.
Yeah.
0.6
That's
is
how
Seedha
most of these
0.3.
coins. That's how most of
I
these
was like,
coins.
thank God I didn't put
But
my
what
money
if
in
you
this
remove
shit,
your
bro.
money before the pull?
But then you've not made.
No, you
you've not
probably
made any
won't be
profit,
able
no?
to because like
Yeah.
just like when you think you're gonna remove it is when they would have like already because there's a lag, na. That's basically arbitrage. So basically, then you can't.
So you're fucked.
What you're saying, what you're thinking, there would be a lot of people who would have thought that and be like, you should do this.
Yeah,
so they already have a solve for that.
नहीं, but अभी ये he said 0.01 went to 0.03 then 0.06 0.03 पे निकाला रहता तो पैसा.
हाँ तो
So then you have
so
to
then
be
you
happy.
made money.
Then you say, okay, I made
Then you
money.
made money.
It's greed, bro.
It's greed then.
greed.
Because once it reaches 0.06,
Yeah.
you're like, bhenchot.
It's gonna go up.
It's
And
only
this
going
is
up.
going to $5
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
वो GameStop का but यही था ना. It was so crazy that GameStop.
Yeah,
thing.
It
GameStop
was
के साथ
all,
भी यही हुआ
that's
ना.
a crazy. There's a Netflix documentary.
Yeah, I
about it. You
watched
should
it.
really watch
I
it.
watched
It's
it.
I
Too
wanna
good.
watch
So good, bro.
पैसों के लिए क्या अभी what do you have someone who like invests and all for you or just
Yes, I have a CA. He does everything.
वो
Like a
डाल-
family CA है.
Hmm.
So अभी जो भी मेरे पास आता है मैं अच्छी ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टिंग नहीं करता. I did this SIP thing but it didn't quite work out for me because like मैं बहुत impatient हूँ तो मैं खुद से plus like we're 27 28 bro. We should like this is our time to take risks. Yes, SIP is safe. Yeah, fair. Cool. Ankur Warik
Financial advice by Anuj MP4.
SIP सब सेफ है.
ये सब अंकल लोग
Tell us
वारिक वगैरह
Tell us your Instagram handle once
He
again.
doesn't even say to do SIP, bro. He gives good advice only.
वारिको says manage your time.
Yeah.
मेरे को तो पैसे बनाने हैं.
अरे bro, you just keep doing more work and more money will come.
Yeah.
Investing तो होता रहेगा यार.
ये सब तो होता रहेगा.
Where are you spending most of your money now?
Fuck. Nowadays, let's see, bro. I mean,
Uber.
I just buy stupid shit, bro.
Like
I buy
what?
dumb shit.
What is a stupid thing?
Like I bought a sports car right now.
What?
Yeah, I bought an MP40.
Not the toy.
I thought he's going to say
The
something
car.
like, a jacket.
Shoes. Sometimes that. But
He
like a really
jumped straight to
Arey
sports
bhai,
car.
कौन सा गाड़ी लिया
किससे
भाई?
बात
it
कर
was
रहा है
like a
भाई?
dream, bro, of me to like get a
He's-
sports car.
He's fulfilled his dream.
And bro, so basically, अभी content stuff picked up. I was started working for Solana. This whole like ऐसा अच्छा चल रहा है. So I was like, like I can take a loan and afford it, and then
You took a loan to get a sports car.
I mean, but it's not a big loan. I mean, yes, a little bit, but like it's not nothing I can't afford. So, but like. So it was like, do I like want it? And then I got a second-hand one, like a 2-year-old one. But I got a really good deal for it. So I found it. Like I found a good, crazy deal. So then like I was like, fuck, this is too good a deal to pass off on. And I did the financials. I used Ankur Varku's rule of how much you earn monthly and can you afford it.
अभी
And
तो गाली दे
can
रहा
you? मैंने सारा किया, मैंने सारे कैलकुलेशन करके देख रहा हूँ. फिर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि मेरी 6 महीने पहली ज़िंदगी क्या थी bro. When I was working at this company, earning like fucking 60K a month at this fucking corporate job, and then now like 6 months later, like all of this like contest.
I'm buying a sports car.
Buying a sports car.
And then he's like, no, not everyone's gonna become a creator. If they hear this, everyone hearing this is gonna start posting
Yeah, it was
reels
actually
tomorrow.
a crazy rags to story, bro. So then I'm like,
Rags
to नहीं है,
It was a rags to the story, guys. It was a crazy
After
rags to the
finishing my
rags
masters in the
to the-
UK, I came back and I had
After, eating
I
60K a
so-
month.
yeah.
60K a
One
month.
thing is,
sort of
I come from
fucking-
nothing, bro.
What sort of fucking royal rag is this?
I come from nothing.
Waking up wearing my Versace robe, drinking my orange juice from my gold glass. Rags.
He's wearing a gold chain.
सुबह उठ के पियानो बजाते हैं.
Piano नहीं, फिर guitar, electric guitar in his suit.
It's a rags to riches story. I came from nothing.
पियानो के लिए मेरे को लोन लेना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, man. Piano and guitar. You gotta look at the rags.
The
It's the
rags
same
are the 8 other cars parked next to it.
No, so then now I'm gonna get wrapped matte grey.
Matte grey, you've decided. Matte grey color.
It was either matte grey or midnight purple, but I don't want to be Hardik Pandya.
Midnight purple is.
Midnight Purple is Tarzan the Wonder Car, bro.
Hardik Pandya, you brought up Hardik Pandya is like he's kind of going crazy with his new girl.
Yeah, what does he do? Oh yeah, on the pitch and all he did
Yeah.
some.
They were like,
Yeah,
आज मैं
I've
करके
not seen
आया.
this. I've not seen this.
That's what he went home and said.
Crazy
Bro,
controversy.
नहीं he's थोड़ा.
FIR.
भाई अभी
नहीं
वो-
भाई, ये रख सकता है तू. I'll tell you why.
Okay, say.
Because like after the World Cup win, everyone's just being nice with like their partner and all. He and his partner are like at it in the middle of the ground, which is a little concerning.
Okay.
Like what? Like define at it.
Yeah.
भाई-
There are videos of him on her fully. She's lying down and he's on her.
क्या?
भाई तू क्या देख रहा है?
Pitch पे ही है.
वो
There's
जो
no way this is
podium
real.
था ना.
What you're describing. They
शायद
might
निकाल रहे हो
have
video.
hugged, held hands. ठीक है. They're like. He's not sleeping on her in the middle of the pitch, huh? क्या problem है रे तेरे को?
So he's right now.
किस किया है तो क्या हो गया भाई? It's his two
So they were like,
consenting
while
words.
wearing the Indian
Okay,
national
okay.
flag, he did it.
Okay, let's see this.
I mean,
Wait.
wait.
It's not problematic.
They're not. Okay, it's sweet only.
He made it sound like vulgar.
That's what I got the reel about.
Yes, तू ही जैसे लोग
I mean, they're lying down,
misinformation
but they're
spread
not-
करते
They
हैं
are
भाई.
okay. They're lying down, but they're not on each other.
अबे ये देख. ठीक है.
But they were like, because he's wearing an Indian flag and all.
हाँ, they're like you can't disrespect the country.
वो
like
इंडियन
that.
You
फ्लैग
can't disrespect the
वर्ल्ड
country.
कप भी जिता के दिया ना, रिस्पेक्ट तो हुआ ना तभी.
हाँ, but flag का you have to like be.
But I saw this video of him in a sports car, ऐसा shirtless, fully.
Shirtless.
Oh, but
Like he's in
Hard,
LA.
hard, hard.
Like he's in LA, bro.
But someone put up another video saying he's worn like a tank top, which is brown in color. So
Oh, fair.
they're like y'all are just being racist now because of his color. Y'all are saying that he's shirtless. Now I don't know if it was photoshopped on him or he was actually shirtless.
I mean, bro, like he's fully tatted, so you can tell if he's shirtless.
Bro, he's
then he mustn't have
definitely
been.
the embodiment of a cool cricket player in our country, bro. Like he has become.
I think Virat Kohli was the OG cool.
Virat
He was
Kohli- but Virat Kohli has
he wasn't
class
cool, he was
and he's
class.
cool,
He was
both.
like fully classy
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it. Like his younger days were obviously कि मैं
That is too funny, bro. That
मैं
MTV
माचो दूंगा
wala.
सबकी.
You know
Which
the
is still
channel
there,
we
but now
interview?
he's
What?
There's this one where he's talking about smashing or passing or something like that. It is.
Oh, that old interview you're
A
talking
very old one. It's damn funny.
yeah.
I've seen
But he's
it.
a legend, bro. He gets to do it.
I see that reel, bro,
बच्चा
like
था यार.
हाँ, बच्चा
Jigglypuff
था वो.
singing, and then it's him like Mayana, Mayana.
But उसका यही है ना, him and Anushka used to do that whole kiss thing.
Yeah.
Now Hardik is doing.
Hardik is not doing flying kiss.
He is.
He's flying her out and kissing on the pitch.
I've seen one reel like that also. They've
अच्छा
done
वो
that
तब
also.
नीचे पहुंचने तक one flying.
Aura
नहीं but you know what I think. I
It's
think
so
कि
cute, bro.
बाहर के players करते तो लोग बोलते हैं वो
बाहर के players नहीं करते ऐसा कुछ.
नहीं
नहीं
not
करते
in
क्या?
India. I'm saying not cricketers bro, football players and all.
I have never seen.
No.
Arey, after winning the cup, so
After
every time
winning-
your wife
after
and
winning,
your
the whole family comes.
Yeah. So now that culture has come here.
अच्छा.
हाँ अभी
Which
इंडिया
earlier
में
was
ऐसा
not
थोड़ा
there,
वेस्टर्न
bro. India में it was never there like this. I think when we won that World Cup with Sachin, I don't remember like wives
Hey,
being
this
in the
shirtless culture has been there since
Dada.
Ganguly.
Dada's time.
दादा ने तो फोड़ दिया था पूरा.
And that was news, bro. सोचना like तभी headline था वो कि Dada is shirtless.
Yeah.
See, like that was like the
That was the headline.
yeah, like
Dada is shirtless. Who's printing this?
Stewie loves it, bro. Stewie loves that.
पर देखो समझ आ रहा फोटो
कुर्ता फाड़ के
कुर्ता नहीं.
टी-शर्ट ही था वो, जर्सी था वो.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
That
Stewie
was
loves
iconic. Iconic win.
Stewie loves grandparents, bro. Like, there's something weird there, bro.
Bro, he doesn't know who Dada is.
I know who that is, Saurav Ganguly, bro.
Yeah, good one.
Chill.
Tell me his 5 best innings.
Saurav Ganguly is a legend, bro. But I like grew up a KKR fan, and he was like never good for KKR.
ए वो मारता था भाई.
क्या मारता था? उसको
क्या मारता था क्या
रिटायर
भाई?
करने के बाद
He was
सालों
the
बाद लाया उसको.
captain.
हाँ,
So then
because
they never
he's-
won anything
he's
under
him.
He's
centuries.
the most famous person from Kolkata ever, probably.
No.
After
He scored
Rabindranath
centuries
Tagore.
in
No, even
he scored
What about
centuries
Mother
in KKR.
Teresa?
मारा
was
उसने
she
मारे.
from?
Mother Teresa.
एक
In
तो मारी.
T20.
Yes. एक तो मारा है definitely.
सेंचुरी नहीं मारा है भाई
He
कुछ के बाद
scored centuries.
We will fact check
Dada
this. We will fact
hitting
check
a century in T20 IPL never happened only.
भैंचोद हम
Are you sure?
हमें नहीं करना चाहिए क्रिकेट के बारे में.
इतना
Saurav
hate मिल रहा है ना
Ganguly
अपने को.
hit a century in his IPL career with KKR.
He played for Pune also.
Oh
Yeah, he
yeah.
did play for Pune as well. Come on, bro. Dada, please.
No.
Let's go.
Centuries. He said
Centuries.
He scored centuries so
Okay, his
confidently.
highest IPL score was 91 runs playing for KKR.
91.
Centuries.
91 is close
Opening
enough.
batsman, bro. And so, ठीक है. I mean, bro,
My
he's
bad.
a legend. He's killed and all in his international career before the IPL. IPL, obviously, he was past his prime.
Yeah.
When he played. He was
100%.
just like the face of the team.
Yeah.
It made sense for him to be there. And I was like, ठीक है भाई. And वो time पे तो KKR didn't win also. KKR was a very bad team for the first few years.
Ah.
And then
Their
I was
branding
they had a
was
cool
on
jersey
point.
though.
Their
हाँ,
branding was
jersey
good.
was good,
jersey.
everything was good. फिर मैंने बोला भाई KKR, this team is cool. I'm gonna support. And Pune didn't have
Shah
their
Rukh
own
Khan's
team.
team.
Pune didn't have a team, so I was like,
Pune
how to
didn't
do?
have a team, yeah.
Then Pune got a team.
Rising
And
Pune
And I was
Super
like, now
Giants.
to I will support my hometown.
I always
Ganguly
hated.
is the captain.
They put a fast one on you.
Bro, Pune, I don't know how they have managed to get Ganguly,
Dhoni, Yuvraj.
Yuvraj,
But वो
same team में.
That's because of the whole betting scandal that CSK was finally caught
Yeah,
in.
yeah,
So
yeah,
then they
yeah.
were like, okay, you know what? Go
तीन
play
दो
somewhere
साल
else for a
चेन्नई
bit.
नहीं था and then
हाँ.
चेन्नई came back.
But again they won.
पुणे के दो
IPL is
teams
like
रहे but
insane.
पुणे के दो teams रहे, yes.
IPL is full money, bro.
Bro, like insane ecosystem. to it.
IPL season is
ecosystem
fun,
is
but
mad, like-
whenever there's IPL season, like part of you is invested.
yeah,
कि कुछ तो
Part of your money is invested.
it's a national distraction, bro.
Yeah. It's the biggest.
they'll
there
get
is.
their fuel and everything on time to go
now
everywhere.
team bus में क्या डालेंगे वो अभी?
बस
If something bad is happening, then something big will happen in IPL.
Is there a team who hasn't won it yet? Punjab. Punjab hasn't won. Delhi hasn't won.
yeah.
Fuck, Delhi not winning is
Pune
insane,
तो
bro.
है ही नहीं.
Pune is not there only, na?
Yeah. But they lost 2 finals, I think.
Hyderabad
Pune-
also hasn't won. na?
Pune never reached the final.
We played Mumbai in the final once and we lost.
Or was it Derby? Maharashtra Derby.
Maharashtra Derby.
This is like Super Giants or Pune Warriors.
Warriors, I think, bro. Shayad Warriors.
We were PSG once upon a time.
Yeah, Pune Super Giants. Dhoni tha wo time.
Dhoni tha, bro. Dhoni couldn't get us over the line.
That year they didn't pay enough money.
I mean, IPL ka you never...
IPL, bro, it's come out that this was all fixed. I don't know how people like.
But
What do you mean
there's-
it's come out?
Bro,
it's
that's
not
the reason
fixed.
why CSK was dissolved for 2 years till they solved that whole problem.
What happened?
They were just caught, bro. Like,
Match
I don't
fixing.
remember match fixing, basically. I don't remember the details of it, but there was a reason
But
why they
in
dissolved.
cricket in general, a lot of match fixing scandals have happened over the years.
Yeah.
Like players get suspended all the time. So
They can't play.
I don't know
Match
if it's so
fixing-
common an occurrence on a national level.
It is,
Pakistan
bro.
में हुआ था.
Pakistan is notorious for...
फिर Australia had that ball tampering thing.
Yeah, they used to bite the ball and shit.
Match fixing.
But you can still
That's like
change the
altering,
outcome. No?
Yeah.
But
Bro,
match fixing is
फुटबॉल में भी
quite...
बट होता है. फुटबॉल में मैच फिक्सिंग का कम होता है, बट लाइक देयर आर प्लेयर्स हु लाइक यू नो इफ यू आर अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर यू कांट बेट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, you can.
Ivan Toney has...
Yeah, I want Tony. Yeah. I want Tony.
He's betting on himself.
बेट डालो और फिर ऐसा लाइक
Hug though.
नहीं, he was
No, he
playing
bet on
well.
himself to give an assist.
Yeah, he bets on himself to score and assist.
And did he do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then now also like imagine this, like अब अगर उसके यहाँ से ऐसा कोमल चौटाला प्रीति सब्रवाल इंसिडेंट है where it's right here you can square to him in his head he's like, अरे बड़ा bet on myself. He takes a shot, he misses, so it
Yeah.
kind of like alters the.
Yeah.
और पेनल्टी आया है टीम को एंड यू आर नॉट द पेनल्टी टेकर बट यू बेट
You're fighting.
यू बेट ऑन योरसेल्फ टू स्कोर.
Yeah.
तो वो जाके उसके साथ झगड़ा कर रहा है और फिर तू यू मिस द पेनल्टी.
No, that's...
इमेजिन.
Worst feeling, I think.
What's the most money you spend on a girl at once?
Like in terms of
For the whole night.
Acha, like
The flowers were there even in the morning.
Not just the couple of hours.
most amount of money you spend on a girl,
Could be a date, could be
like a gift.
You're saying
I
in
bought.
one
could be a
sitting.
gift,
Gift,
could be a
gift.
gift, could be a
Gift,
date.
yeah, I
In
think
one
one sitting.
Means like if you're in a relationship, you're going to spend a lot of money over time.
Oh.
So he means
How much
one
money do you
particular...
think you spend over time in your relationships?
I don't know, man. I don't keep score.
You don't keep score, okay. Say so.
That's true love.
Maybe like 17K on a gift
17K on a gift, okay.
What was it?
as a bag.
Of?
13K bag.
Sounds like
What 17K में what bag you will get?
It was some UK bag. UK का brand था, bro.
Mm.
So,
How much is a Birkin for?
like
Birkin is like
10-12 lakh.
Yeah, it's in
10
lakh.
12 lakhs?
Yeah.
Do you not remember?
Starting.
Birkin?
This guy
Depends on the
Logan Paul
Birkin,
had
some
bought
will
a
be in CRs.
$50,000 bag for his wife.
Hmm.
Some
Wow.
years, bro.
Birkin, huh, okay.
Birkin is good.
But that's
Birkin
like the
stock
grail.
we can get.
That's like the grail of bags.
Yeah.
Like every girl ka sapna is to have a Birkin.
Mhm.
Huh, yeah.
Is it to have a Birkin or to have a man who will get her a Birkin?
Or to just
Hey,
have herself the
for,
money.
Yeah,
to have
for
a Birkin.
herself to buy.
It's a woman's choice. It's her choice.
वो खुद के लिए खरीदेगी वो Birkin.
फिर
It's
तो
for
अच्छी
her.
बात है.
हाँ?
अच्छी बात है फिर अगर तो खरीद सकते हैं.
मेरे लिए भी ले ले.
मेरे लिए Birkin
Bagwati.
Bagwati.
Birkin is expensive, bro. Yeah.
But like even on like a very luxury item and you have the money to spend on it, would you like spend 12 lakhs on a bag if you had the money also?
मतलब how much money you
Like you have fuck you money.
fuck you money तो then buy
Then you'll
now.
spend-
Fuck you money, you're allowed to do whatever the fuck you want with it.
No, but would you have the desire to have a 12
Yeah,
lakh
yeah,
bag?
yeah.
But
Then
it's
for
not-
then,
I mean,
money
this
is not an
my
object,
desire,
no, no.
na, it's her desire.
bro, but the thing is,
and my desire to keep her happy. So
at that point, if you have fuck you money, 12 lakhs is nothing for you.
That's-
So you're not looking at it like it's an
Oh, yeah,
expense.
for him तो it's already nothing.
Yeah, for him.
Like a sports car.
We're cutting off
क्यों
all
नहीं दिया?
these.
क्यों नहीं दिया तूने उसको Birkin? You could have given her a Birkin.
तेरे को क्या लगता है bro? Like कितना पैसा हो सकता है?
Midnight purple.
भाई
Midnight purple. वो हार्दिक पांड्या वाला नहीं है मेरे पास पैसा. 12 करोड़ की गाड़ी.
But बच्चों की गांड फटती है bro. Like college kids and all, to take a girl on a date, they're like really concerned about how much money to spend. You kids are on a budget, bro. Like if you're in college, you're most likely broke.
Yeah.
But nowadays I feel they all have money, bro.
Who's these people?
अरे मतलब
ये
रहता है
रहते
भाई,
हैं थोड़े
ऐसे है ना।
लंदन में कॉलेज जाते
मेरे
हैं
को
तो रहता है
देता नहीं था
उनके
कोई मुझे भाई वो तो
In London, you were good with girls? You dated girls in London?
I dated as soon as I went to London in the first 4-5 months of being there. I started dating someone who I dated for 3.5 years.
Indian girl?
British Indian.
Oh,
British
yeah.
Indian.
British.
Yeah.
So I stayed with her for like a good 3 years. Or like
Yeah.
2 years, 2.5 years.
Nice.
So I did the whole living together relationship thing.
How was that, bro?
It was interesting.
Okay.
It was fun at times, not so fun at times, but that's just kind of how each relationship is. No?
Oh.
Maza, bro. She was the one in the uni everyone wanted, but then like I got a
Let's go. The dog.
But how, living कैसा है?
It's tough, bro. अपना living situation बहुत funny है, bro. I rented a house in Hendon, like in this place in Hendon, and then she would come there and stay. And हम मेरे flatmates होते थे. फिर at one point उसकी मेरी और मेरे दोनों flatmates date कर रहे थे. हम दोनों की kind of बनी नहीं. तो then we went to her house, जहाँ पर उसके साथ दो उसकी दोस्तें रहती थी. They weren't seeing each other, but उनके साथ भी बनती नहीं थी. तो we were just kind of, but then we stayed there. And we won't interact with the other flatmates. Like it would be weird. Like go to the kitchen. Kitchen ऐसा 2x2 का kitchen, ठीक है, छोटा सा. वहाँ पे वो लोग अपना कर रहे हैं, फिर हम दोनों भी अपना करके, but zero interaction. Like not even a look exchange, bro.
Damn, not even a
No,
smile.
And no. If you ऐसा, if you like, after a point when it became chill thoda, so because like I was staying in their house, like I had to be a little more civil. I was the only guy living there.
Yeah.
And then bro, like ऐसा, I was like caught in a, because we all went to uni together. It was after the uni, the fight happened and everything. So then it was just weird, bro. Like just to, because they would have the hall, so we couldn't be in the hall when they would be in the hall. And ऐसा.
But then did she, like if you were living there, did she be like, oh, you're not keeping your clothes properly, the bed sheet needs to be, like you're not making...
Yeah, because that used to happen, bro. ऐसा मैं कभी बार कपड़ा छोड़ देता था, and she'd just give me the look and I knew कि oh shit, मैं ऐसा देखने लगा, क्या किया भाई.
Backtrack.
Just the stare, huh?
Yeah. It's like, she'll actually like sometimes the stare didn't work now, so then she'll like look at the item and then look at me. So she's like,
So she's
it's a
giving you a
में
hint.
Yeah, so games में होता है ना वैसा, when by the time the game is like, अरे this guy is not
Dora
figured
the
out.
Explorer.
Highlight करके दो इसको.
Then go.
So then I'll
Highlight
and I'm
करके
like,
दो इसको.
oh, like,
Dora the Explorer. Can you...
Can you
like-
spot what's wrong?
And then she just waits.
Then she waits.
Takes a pause.
He doesn't respond.
Still can't find it.
I think it's
Look
time to call
there.
the map. I'm the map. दूसरा कोई बंदा आ रहा है.
oh, you know too much about Dora the Explorer, bro.
I only know this much. These two know a lot
I
more.
had a younger brother who used to watch.
Yeah,
so
I had a younger
You all have like a 1 year age gap. So
2 years.
No, y'all watch Dora the Explorer, bro.
Yeah,
Y'all are real
these
bitches.
two.
My younger sister, who's 9 years younger, was
अरे
watching.
but I'll tell you 2 years का gap का क्या scene रहता है. 7 and 5 is a gap ना. A 5-year-old would watch Dora. A 7-year-old would never watch Dora. That's why I'm saying.
So, how would your brother watch? Why would he watch? अच्छा, when he was.
वो 5 साल का था ना जब मैं 7 का था तो.
Okay.
तो फिर.
Gotcha.
और वो 5 साल के बंदे से तो रिमोट नहीं छीन सकते ना bro.
छीन सकता है. Easiest.
Then it turns into something. Then your mom will come. Like he's your little brother. You're not letting him watch TV. क्यों मारा है इसको?
हुआ है क्या तुम्हारे साथ? क्यों मारा है इसको?
क्यों मारा? As in, like you would just get yelled at ना. क्यों मारा तो इतना on a deep level they wouldn't ask you question.
psychological question.
They should though, right?
Reflect on your actions.
Like if my kid hits like the other kid, I would ask, why did you hit? That's the first thing I would ask.
But what the kid doesn't know na why they hit.
Kid
Because he
knows
was
why
doing
he
this.
hit.
गांड मस्ती करने के लिए कितने बच्चे मारते हैं.
गांड मस्ती वाला मारना अलग है ना. If you hit someone, then
Hard.
Hey, bhai, this is why we will be better parents than
Yeah,
our
yeah,
parents were. We are asking questions, asking the right questions.
Asking
किसी
the
ने
right
किसी को मारा तो पूछो क्यों मारा.
They're just
तुम
like,
उसको आके मार रहे हो.
पट करके चढ़ रहा.
क्यों मारा? क्यों मारा रे? पाट पहले.
Bro, that day at
तेरे को
the
पहले
airport I
पड़ेगा.
saw this, man. Like it was kind of sad. I was waiting for a cab and there was this one mother and her son. And like she's also waiting for her cab. I don't know where they come from. Bro, it was quite sad
Because
because
we know what's coming.
bro, this kid, he's like mama, she slapped him, bro. Like जोर से चिपकाया.
Yeah,
That kid goes, and then he goes back to her. She slaps the other cheek, and I'm losing it because I'm waiting for my cab, and I'm like,
Gandhian kid.
माँ इधर भी.
bro. Then she pulls him by his hair,
Okay, bro. Now.
and again she slaps him.
Now.
क्यों मम्मी को क्यों तंग कर रहा है यार तू?
And I am like, bro, what the fuck has this kid done to deserve this shit, bro? एयरपोर्ट भाई तू सोच ना, एयरपोर्ट पे इतना मार खा रहा है वो, तो घर पे कितना मार खाएगा भाई वो.
Damn, he's chained to a radiator.
But airport में tensions are high, so
Agreed.
Bro, but why the fuck you fucking? She beat the shit out of that kid, and
Like she leaned into the slap over.
bro, she was like full power, like genuine, and I could hear the
Like show me as a clap the strength of slap. Oh.
This is on a kid's face, bro, like a fucking 5-year-old kid, and that
disturbing.
kid is like crying, he's howling. And she starts slapping him, saying, "Stop crying." I'm like, bro, what are you doing? This is counterproductive. Like, I wanted to go up to her and be like, "Yo, listen, like."
क्यों मारा?
I said, मैं भी खाऊंगा.
ज्यादा moral policing करेगा.
Uber
I've seen that,
priority.
bro.
To be fair, yeah,
The first one that came, I sat.
it's very triggering, bro. To see, like,
Yeah.
parents
OTP
being-
छोड़ो भैया चलो.
मारते हैं ना जब
मेरे को बहुत
गुस्सा आता है.
bro. मारना तो ठीक है ब्रो, इवन लाइक व्हेन किड्स आर गेटिंग नेग्लेक्टेड ऐसा एयरपोर्ट सिचुएशंस में.
Oh, that's a little. You're over empathetic. Some kid is being neglected. I mean.
हाँ, but neglection is also bad only. भाई वो बच्चा बेचारा, he's calling for their attention. They're not giving him.
भाई if you're having dinner somewhere, sitting and eating food, parents are sitting and eating, and the kid is just like crawling under the table, playing with whatever the fuck, I don't know. कच्चे गंदा है भाई वो गंदा है
Why
भाई.
is the kid under the table?
हाँ तो
That is what is the point, no? Like that's so fucking.
तुम्हें इतना भी ये नहीं है.
Yeah.
Parents become indifferent after a while because they stay with the kid for like so long. Now they're just sick of the kid, bro. Like they're like, fuck, man.
Fuck
बहुत
this kid.
करता है यार.
Yeah. मैंने तो गंदा देखा है ब्रो. एक टपली देखा है मैंने एक बच्चे को. This some woman gave him इधर और वो आवाज आता है ना टक वाला. फाट करके इधर and he's just looking at his mom.
इधर सर पे.
हाँ इधर
The
इधर.
base of the brain.
Y'all have seen that? Y'all have seen that black kid or the takla black kid who runs by? Saaf dete wo. So whenever Ashley Young used to fuck around at United, they used to post that as some.
It's too funny.
In my culture, we have.
Have you seen the Mbappe one or what? The Mbappe one when he was a young one, bro. That's videos. I don't know. I think it's a deep fake.
It's not Mbappe,
It's
bro.
a deep fake, but it's a very good deep fake, bro. It's a very good deep fake of him just getting slapped, bro, and he's standing like this.
Not it.
In my culture, we have a back of the neck slap.
Oh
बच्चों
god,
को है.
bro, that
बच्चों
child
को-
can fucking pass out with that.
He will.
नहीं, मतलब it's not. It's not
You can switch a kid off like that.
Yeah, venture.
that's the off button.
Ding 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 ding. Windows off. That's how the Chinese do
Right,
it.
it's like it makes a nice sound.
So we
Nice
just
sound.
paralyze your kid.
So you have to.
Either
Be-
it's your spine, bro. It's your
ऐसा
spinal
you're
cord.
not
No,
giving
but
like
yeah,
a
neck
punch,
slaps
na.
are a thing,
It's like
bro.
It's like a. like that.
And that shit hurts, bro.
नहीं नहीं ये मत करो भाई.
Yeah,
If
please
anyone
don't
is
hit
into
anyone on
this-
their head.
As
Ever.
a forfeit,
Don't
bro,
hit
like,
anyone ever. I would
On their
say.
head, especially never.
Yeah. It's you can
किधर मारना चाहिए?
kill a person. Where
गोटे पे मारना
आम
चाहिए
पे
भाई.
उधर?
क्या?
गोटे पे मारना चाहिए.
you like that sort of thing? Or he's enjoying himself.
Okay. No, see, if you're in a life-threatening situation, kick them in the balls.
Oh, acha, hit
Life-
that
हाँ,
person.
yeah.
Life-threatening situation. Okay.
Okay.
like define a life-threatening situation in which you'll be able to kick him in the balls.
Imagine someone with a knife is.
Yeah, that's what I was
coming
gonna
at you.
say.
Yeah.
Oh. By the time you kick him in the balls, he would have stabbed you.
I mean, bro, like if you
It's a tough
reach if you connect first time before he's like
Volley.
swung.
Yeah, before he pulls it out, only you have to like kick him in the nuts.
No, he's pulled it out.
Okay.
ऐसा आ रहा है उधर पे.
Oof.
He's on you.
But then like you have one shot because like your leg extends further than his
Yeah.
body could.
चाकू डाल देगा तेरे पैर में भाई.
Pinch.
हाँ, but like अगर उसके balls पे बहुत जोर से मार दिया तो वो सब immediately छोड़ भी देगा.
Yeah. Then you have the knife.
And then he'll come to Stewie. And then he'll fucking stab him. Picture
Uno
चल रहा है
reverse.
इधर.
Our editor has pulled out someone's
Yeah.
balls.
What are you saying?
Yeah. It's an insane lore, bro. Can we tell it, Prashant?
Let's not.
Prashant Lore.
No, okay, so just say your
It's a
friend.
disturbing
He doesn't know, nobody else.
Yeah, it's
knows.
just too graphic.
Yeah, it's too gruesome.
Fuck, now I want to hear it.
I'll tell you off camera.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Yeah, should we end this episode on this note?
On the ball pulling out.
Yeah.
On a bally note.
That would be a horrendous death, bro.
But do you guys also like? I think guys do this a lot. You imagine yourself in different situations.
Yeah.
Oh, life-saving situation.
Like, you know what? I can save this
School mein-
situation.
Hostage situation सबको सपने क्या रहेगा?
Yeah.
कि we've been hijack हो गया कुछ
कि
तो.
पूरा
Terrorist
क्लास
attack.
में कोई भी
क्लास
टेररिस्ट
में
आ गया.
बंदूक लेके आया है.
What do you do?
And you will save everyone. You will
Yeah.
take him down कुछ तो करके.
Take him down नहीं.
Like I will charge at him, fight him and take the gun from him and shoot him in the knee.
अच्छा.
Or in the knee.
No questions.
Bro has decided knee.
पहले knee में
Kneecap.
एक मार दूंगा मैं.
नहीं मैं मेरा
Risk
तो
नहीं
हमेशा
लूंगा.
रहता था कि I'll take the gun from him, but I won't shoot him because I don't want to go to jail.
नहीं, I will shoot him in the knee. इतना ज़्यादा सज़ा
You
नहीं
still probably
होता
go to
उसको.
jail.
No, you don't go to jail.
What?
Self-defense.
Oh yeah, you're a minor also, na?
You go to juvie.
You won't go to juvie for
नहीं,
shooting a
it's self-
terrorist in the leg.
It's self-defense,
Terrorist,
brother.
yeah, you can shoot.
He's
Wherever
come-
you shoot, you shoot.
वो
He's a school
बंदूक
shooter
लेके
ना?
स्कूल में आया है भाई.
I used to think कि अगर आग लग गया तो
You'll save everyone.
save everyone नहीं. That one girl that I like.
Damn, bro.
Everyone, how you will save?
That's true.
No, but you have to think like
No, but I will look
grand.
if I'm sitting in my class and I'm thinking कि अभी आग लग रहा है तो I start looking around where is the nearest fire extinguisher. कि okay, how long will it take for me to get there?
I also think that I had a window, right? So I was like, कि एक pipe है. Can I slide down it?
Yeah. Even my class used to have a window.
Can I slide down the pipe?
Yeah.
Fuck, my situation was
Sliding
never
down
who
the
I'm
pipe.
saving, bro. My situation was how the fuck am I getting out of here? Like,
Self.
You gotta save also, bro. Like, make sure everyone is safe.
Yeah, you want to get out. So I used to think कि if this happens and I save this girl, then तो she will be with me. If you save
yeah,
girls,
then so she has no option, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
You saved her.
you saved
save
her.
your life, bro. Come.
Yeah.
Imagine then she's like, by the way, this guy, your friend, him and I.
But he's probably dead in the fire.
नहीं, but किसी और.
No, he's come out with burn marks,
He-
and she's like, I can save him.
Oh.
Only his shoulder is burnt. Like,
Oh, now he's cooler than you.
yeah.
Oh yeah, because he's gotten some of the.
And he's got like only a scar.
And everyone, all the girls are on him, bro. No, everyone's forgotten that you saved the girl.
Why is this dream like becoming into a nightmare?
Why am I cock in this dream?
अपने ही सपने में कब क्यों हुए भाई?
That used to be Samay's joke. You remember?
Yeah.
It used to be like when you're watching porn, do you watch it from the POV of like you're watching two people fucking or you're the guy who's fucking the girl?
Both are equally sad.
Both, yeah.
I think.
But then he's just like you're being a cuck if you're watching just two people fuck.
That's why I don't watch porn.
Yeah.
Huh. It is
That's
It's
why I don't
unrealistic.
that's why I don't
Yeah.
jerk off also.
unrealistic.
It's unrealistic to not jerk off also.
First of
No,
all, I
but
don't want to
jerking
look.
off
I
is-
don't want to look at a guy jerk off. First of all.
What?
Secondly, I don't want to be jerked off by a guy. Those
So
two
you
reasons,
won't-
I'm out.
so you won't jerk off.
Yeah.
Fuck, now that you come to think about
Yeah,
it.
it's the gayest shit you can do.
It is quite gay.
पहले तो तेरे को किसी का लंड देखना है.
खुद का लंड देखना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
वो तो और भी खराब.
सुबह उठ के खुद का लंड देखना पड़ रहा है. ऊपर से you
No wonder men are depressed, bro.
yeah. I mean
सुबह उठ के
लंड दिख
क्या
रहा
देख
है.
रहे हैं?
yeah.
तुम लोग सुबह उठ के लंड देख रहे हो.
एक दूसरे का रूटीन चेक.
सब ठीक.
Inspection, ball inspection.
Cut this crap. I'm done, bro. Call it.
Yeah, let's call it, bro. It's been like an hour and a half.
So fucked.
Testicular cancer awareness month.
Yeah, we need to spread that.
Kind of music.
We'll wear a ribbon.
Bro, Anuj, this was a bad idea, I think. We've never been this disgusting.
Yeah,
on this
we've actually
podcast.
been really dirty.
This is
You brought this out of us.
It's all you, bro.
You know what we should? Yeah, we should call this.
The worst
have to call
episode
it.
ever.
Thank you for.
No. Hey, I had fun, man. I had fun.
I laughed a lot.
This was very fun.
Yeah. We can go now.
The dirtiest episode ever.
It's gonna be a 13-minute episode after this.
After the cuts.